Now let's explore the main project management methodologies. In project management, the methodology you choose plays a crucial role in determining the project success, such as Agile or Iterative and Waterfall, which is predictive, and hybrid methodologies. Each of them offer a unique approach to manage and deliver the projects. Understanding their differences and strengths enable the project managers to select the most suitable method, ensuring the alignment with the project requirements, stakeholder expectations, and team capabilities. To start with the first methodology, which is Agile, Agile is an iterative methodology that prioritizes the adaptability and continuous improvement. It's built on collaboration and close interaction with the stakeholders to incorporate feedback at every stage of the project. Instead of delivering a complete project at once, as the waterfall, Agile breaks work into a smaller increments, which we call it as sprints. This allows team to deliver a value quickly and test solution and adjust plans based on real world insight and based on the stakeholder feedback. The next popular methodology, which is the waterfall or the predictive methodology. Waterfall is a structured methodology where each phase must be completed before the next begins. It's ideal for projects with clear objectives and unchanging requirements, such as the construction or hardware design. This approach ensures through documentations and minimizes uncertainty, making it easier to track progress and meet the planned milestones. It have Waterfall has mainly five stages, which we have discussed earlier, which including the initiation, planning, execution, and closure. And each of these phases cannot be overjumped until you complete each of these steps. So you cannot just go to the planning without completing initiation, and you cannot go to the execution till you complete planning phase. Next, we have the hybrid methodology. Hybrid methodologies merges the best aspect of agile and waterfall. For example, project planning might follow a waterfall for clarity, while the execution adopts agile sprints for flexibility. This approach works well in complex projects where some tasks require a strict control, while others benefit from the iterative adjustment. What are the key differences between these three main project management methodologies? While Agile focuses on flexibility and customer collaboration or stakeholder collaboration, Waterfall emphasizes predictability and the structure. Hybrid, as same or as name it suggests, it seeks to blend these two extremes to offer a balanced solution. The choice between these methodologies depends on different factors like the project complexity, team experience, and the stakeholder expectation. Each of these methodologies are best for a different type of project. For example, the agile projects, it's best for a dynamic environment or the dynamic project, where waterfall is best for the predictable projects with static and changing requirements. The hybrid project where we have mixed scope, where you mix between agile and waterfall. When to use agile? Agile is perfect for projects where requirements are not fully defined or unclear or many change over time. It thrives in an environment where a rapid delivery or customer feedback is important and stakeholder involvement is very important. And also, you need to consider as the ability are very key important in such projects. Teams in IT and software development or creative industries often find Agile's iterative approach align with their fast-paced needs. But when to use Waterfall? Waterfall is ideal for projects where all requirements are known upfront. The linear process ensures that through the documentation, making it easy to plan and execute with a minimal changes. This methodology is often chosen in industries with strict standards, such as constructions, where deviations can be very costly or invisible. How about hybrid methodology? When to use? Hybrid methodologies are effective when parts of the project benefit from the flexibility while the other part of the project require a strict control. For instance, you might use Waterfall to set a detailed project plan and Agile for ongoing customer interaction and iterative improvement.